Hello children, welcome to our English class. Grade 3, Unit 5, Animal Friends. Today you are going to learn animal homes. Animal homes. Children, take a look at this picture very carefully. Here you can see some of our animal friends and their homes. You know that animals live in various types of homes. Some animals make their own homes, like bird nest. Here, this is a bird nest, right? And what about this one? Burrow, gula. Rabbit lives in the burrow. Okay, and take a look at this big thing hanging on a branch of the tree. It's a beehive. Beehive, me vadaya. Bees live in it. And who is this creature? Oh, it's a spider. I'm afraid of spiders. I don't like spiders. What about you? Okay, the spider is spinning its home. It's a web. This is its home. Okay? And there are some animals, they live in man-made homes. Like this hen coop. This is a coop. Kukul kuduwa. Okay? Hen lives in the coop. And what about this one? Cow and calf. Where do they live? They live in a cow shed. This is a shed. Okay? And there are some animals who use the natural environment as their homes. Let's take lion. This is lion's home. We call it den. Guhava. Right? Lion lives in the den. Okay? And what about this one? What's it? Yes, it's a pond. Fish lives in the pond. Right? Let's take this home. What's it? Yes, it's a tree hollow. Tree hollow. Gasbenaya. Who lives in the tree hollow? Squirrel lives there. Okay? Here, this is our friend Malika. Malika wants to know where those animal friends live. So, how does she ask the question? Here, this is the way she asks. Where do you live? Where do you live? Okay. What does the squirrel say? Squirrel says, I live in a tree hollow. I live in a tree hollow. Okay? And what about the spider? Spider says, I live in a web. I live in a web. Okay. Now, take out your pupils' book and turn to the page 72. In this page, you are going to learn some animals and their homes. Right? This boy is asking a question from every animal. Children, I think that you already know the question. Shall we read this? Okay. Where do you live? Where do you live? Okay. Let's take a look at the first picture here. Here is a picture of a bee, and this is its home. It is hanging on a branch of a tree. This is a beehive. Meevadaya. Bee lives in a beehive. And the bee says, I live in a beehive. I live in a beehive. Okay. Now take a look at the second picture. I think you can see a bird. Bird is in a nest, right? And what does the bird say? I live in a nest. I live in a nest. Okay. Now we are coming to the third picture. What's this animal? Yes, it's a rabbit. And this is rabbit's home. We call it a burrow. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Rabbit says, I live in a burrow. Say after me, I live in a burrow. Okay, children. Okay, children. Now turn to the page 73 in your pupil's book. Let's take a look at the first picture here. What's this animal? Yes, it's a lion. Can you see lion's home behind the lion? Yes, what do we call this? It's a den. We call it den. Guhava. Okay? Lion lives in the den. Lion says, I live in a den. Children, say after me, I live in a den. Okay. Next picture. What's this animal? Yes, it's a dog. And this is dog's home. What do we call this? Do you know? I will tell you, okay? It's a kennel. Balukuduwa. It's a kennel. Dog lives in a kennel. Okay? Dog says, I live in a kennel. Right? Now we are going to the third picture here. See, this is a hen, and this is hen's home. We call this home coop. Coop. Kukul koduwa. Hen lives in the coop. What's this home? Yes, it's a coop. Very good. Hen says, I live in a coop. Say it again. I live in a coop. Okay? Right. Children, now we are going to the last picture. Look at it. What's the place? Yes, very good. It's a pond. Can you see fish there? Yes. They say, we live in a pond. Say it again. We live in a pond. Okay. Okay, children. Now I am going to give you an activity. Activity 1. Match. It's a matching activity. Here, in this side, you have given some pictures of our animal friends. And in this side, you can see their homes. So, you have to match these animal friends with their homes. Okay? Let's take the first one. This is the lion. Lion lives in the den. Right? And the lion says, I live in the den. Okay, like that you have to do this activity. You can use colors to match, right? This is activity 2. This boy is asking a question from each animal, right? You already know the question. What is it? Yes, very good. Where do you live? Okay, and you have to write down what each animal say. Right? What does the rabbit say? Rabbit says, I live in a burrow. Take a look at the picture given in the box. Yes, it's a burrow. Rabbit says, I live in a burrow. Like that, you have to complete this activity. Can you do it? Yes, I'm sure you can. It's easy. Now we have come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay at home and do all the activities. Bye-bye.